Here we have an example of a remotely sensed image of the real world. The real world is infinitely complex. It has, we can see here, water, there's streams, there's agricultural land, there's high and low areas, there's even a ski hill in the upper left-hand corner. Now, the real world can be encoded as a vector layer, a very common GIS format, and then a raster can be overlaid on top of that vector layer, and we can encode the raster cells with what we find underneath each cell in the vector layer in order to create a raster representation. In this case, whatever is at the cell center of the vector layer for each cell, that's what is encoded in each raster cell. And this is what it would look like, a very coarse raster in this case. Here we have blue with water, black showing built-up areas, light green is agriculture, dark green is the forested upland areas. We could have chosen as well a different encoding method called maximum area. For example, if a cell contains 25% forest and 75% built-up area, the cell would become built-up area under the maximum rule for raster encoding. And these produce very different results. The encoding method matters significantly, and so we want to keep that in mind as we look ahead.